Hello, this is Inayatullah Maliki. In my previous video, I showed a fast method to obtain the product of a two-digit number by another two-digit number. In this video, I will show how to obtain the product of three-digit number by another three-digit number. I also will show you a method to check the correctness of the multiplication product. Now, let's jump to it and get started. Okay, to explain this method, I have chosen a very simple problem. What is the product of 267 by 253? In this example, 267 is the multiplicand and 253 is the multiplier. We always assume the bigger number as to be multiplicand and the smaller number to be the multiplier. In the first step, we count number of digits in the multiplier. So we have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 digits in multiplier. We put as many zeros as we have in the multiplier on the left-hand side of the multiplicand. So we put 0, 0, 0. So this, our multiplicand is now 0, 0, 0, 2, 6, 7. And our multiplier is the same, 253. Now, to obtain the first digit of the product from the right-hand side, that is called the least significant digit, we multiply the first digit from the right-hand side of the multiplicand and the first digit of the multiplier from the right-hand side. And if we multiply these two digits, 7 into 3 is 21. 1 is the first digit of the product, which is from the right-hand side. So we show this one with the P1. So P1 is equal to 1. And 2 is the carryover. Now we pair 67 and 53. We actually move one digit to the left in multiplier and also in multiplicand. So we choose 67 and 53. Now, as we pair these two, we multiply the farthest digits and the closer digits. The closer digits are 7 and 5, and I have shown that with the green color, and the farthest digits are 6 and 3, and shown with the blue color. 6 into 3 is 18, 7 into 5 is 35, and we have 2 as the carryover from the step 2. Now, if we add up all these, we obtain 55. 5 is the second digit of our product from the right-hand side. And we show that with P2. And this 5 is the carryover to the next step. Now, in step 4, which is the next step, we move again one digit to the left-hand side. So here we have 7, 6, and 2, 267. And our multiplier is 253 because we were here. Now we moved one to the left. So this is going to be 253. Now, again, 7 and 2 are the closer digits, 6 and 5 are the middle digits, and 2 and 3 are the farthest digits. So we multiply the farthest digits, the middle digits, and the closer digits together, and add the result and see what we have to do next. So 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 5 is 30, and 7 into 2 is 14. So if we add up all this, it's going to be 50. And we have a 5 here carryover. So we obtain 55. 5 is the next digit of our product from the right-hand side. and we show that with P3. So P3 is equal to 5. And this 5 is the carryover to the next step, step 5. Now we move again one digit to the left-hand side. This one, whatever you think is, we don't move this multiplier anymore. We just keep it as it is when we reach to the uh, end of the multiplier. So from this step onward, 253 remains the same. It's not going to change. But this one keeps changing because we have 3 zeros here. So what we have here is 0, 2, 6, 253. We multiply the closer digits, middle digits, and the farthest digits. 0 into 3 is 0. 2 into 5 is 10. 6 into 2 is 12. And we have a 5 here also. So 10 plus 12 plus 5 is 27. 7 is the next digit of our product from the right-hand side. And we show that with P4. And 2 is the carryover to the next step, which is step 6. And it's the last step to complete our procedure. Now we move again one digit to the left. So if we move one digit to the left, we have 0, 0, 2. So we have 0, 0, 2. And as I said, we don't change the multiplier, it remains the same. But we again do the same thing that we did in previous step. So we multiply the closer digits. 2 into 2 is 4, 0 into 5 is 0, 0 into 3 is 0. So we have 4 and 2 is the carryover we put here. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Now 6 is the next digit of our product from the right hand side, and we show that with P5. And 0 is the carryover. When we reach to a stage where the carryover is 0, that's the end of our procedure, and our multiplication is completed. So our product is 67, 551. Now, as I said, I'm going to explain a procedure to check the product. We want to make sure that this product is correct. So let's go to the next page and see how it works. Okay, this procedure is known as the multiplication correction test. We have 4 steps for the multiplication correction test. In the first step, we add up digits of the multiplicand until you obtain a single digit number. In the second step, add up digits of the multiplier until you obtain a single digit number. In the third step, add up digits of the product until you obtain a single digit number. In the fourth step, multiply the multiplicand and multiplier single digits and add up the product's digits to obtain a single digit number. If it is the same as the product, the result of the multiplication is correct. Now, we will try this method in our example that we already explained. So in our example, we multiplied 267 by 253, and our product is 67,551. 267, we add 2 into 6. 2 into 6 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. So the single digit obtained from the multiplicand is 6. Now, our multiplier is 253. Add 2 into 5. 2 and 5 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 1 plus 0 is 1. So the single digit obtained from the multiplier is 1. Now we multiply these two single digits. So 1 into 6 is 6. So the single digit obtained from the multiplication of the single digits of the multiplicand and the multiplier is 6. Our product is 67,551. So let's add up all these digits also and see what we will obtain. 6 plus 7 is 13. 1 plus 3 is 4. Now we add this 4 to this 5 is 9. And add this 9 to this 5, and that is 14. Add 1 to 4 is 5. And add this 5 to this 1, that is 6. So we obtain the same single digit number for the product also. And because these two numbers are the same, we can say that our uh, product is correct. Thanks for watching my video.